What it do, y'all? So quick update on the Chevelle, since I haven't had much content on the Chevelle since everything has been with my Caprice, but I was able to break away for a little bit and get some stuff done on the engine. I'm trying to get this engine somewhat mostly put together so I can wrap this all up and then get my garage back so I can repark my Caprice back in here. So what I've gotten done is I put the new, or the cam sensor in, put the new Holley oil pan, LS Swap oil pan in. This is the -2 model, so I think it's like 301-2 or something like that. Anyways, whatever it is, it's the -2 model. So this will clear up to a 4-inch stroke. It still holds, 5 quarts of oil, so went in good, no problems. Flipped it back over, and I'm gonna try to make this quick, y'all, because my battery might die. But flipped it back over. The next steps would be to put the lifters in. So I'm waiting. I'd actually just clean these lifters up, sprayed them with compressed air because they had a bunch of stuff on them from being in this cardboard box. And then I sprayed some mineral spirits on a shop towel and then kind of rolled them on there to kind of get everything off. Now I'm going to let them soak in a bowl overnight of oil, and then I'll put them in the lifter trays, put those back in, and be good to go. And then this is my valley pan, got that all situated, and put new seals on the bottom here for my BTR kit. And then that's pretty much it, y'all. That's pretty much it. So other than that, that's pretty much it. I haven't really done much to the Chevelle, as you guys know, because everything has been on my Caprice. But if you guys haven't seen the motor in a while, that's kind of what it looks like. That's the color scheme and everything. I think it looks really, really sharp. Everything is painted at least about 3 or 4 coats or more, maybe even more on the engine. Then I have cleared everything, and I think it looks sharp, y'all. So my color scheme is going to be orange, the aluminum silver, and black. So my heads are black, the valley pan cover is black, obviously that's black, and then my intake is black, and then yeah, just kind of go from there. So yeah, it's gonna look pretty sharp. So, but that's pretty much it, y'all. Just a quick update on the Chevelle 6.0. Not much has been going on. My boy's still working on the fenders and the trunk deck lid for me and all that. So once he's done with that, then I'm going to take some more parts to him. My goal is to put this, once I get the Caprice done, my goal is to finish this, drop this in the Caprice, even with no fenders on it or anything, get it running and get the brakes and stuff all good so I can at least move it around and drive it. I probably won't have the Chevelle anywhere near done this summer. It's probably going to be a year project, so then at least I can move it around, put it on a trailer, take it to storage where my other car is, and then kind of be good to go from there. So anyways, that's kind of the update on the Chevelle. More to come, but I'm just kind of chipping away at it anytime I can. So that's it, y'all. So I'll holler at you later. Stay tuned for more vids on this, the Caprice, and then hopefully I can get to my Regal T. So all right, y'all, holler at you later.